Hey beautiful people, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can reset your WordPress website. So you can see right now I have built this website and I want to make it to be like reset a complete website, like a brand new WordPress we have installed on our domain. So without deleting WordPress from your system, directly now you can reset WordPress from WordPress dashboard very easily. So everything will be default like was a brand new WordPress you have installed on your domain. So for that, there can be so many reasons why you want to reset your WordPress website, to make it like you have recently installed it. Maybe you want to design a new website. Maybe you want to try a new theme, so you don't need to uninstall or delete the WordPress from the scratch, but right now you can just reset the WordPress with within the few clicks inside the WordPress dashboard. So what do you have to do here? Now you can see we have already a complete website, right? So now we want to reset it to make it like the default one. So for that, what you have to do, you have to be log in inside WordPress dashboard. So now I'm going to go on WordPress dashboard, and then here we go. Then now we have to install a plugin. So inside the plugins, we're going to hover over and click on add a new plugin, and then now we can write here WP reset plugin, WP reset reset. And then on the top you can see this plugin WP reset, and it has 3000 like sort of the installation. So now you have to just click on to install now, and then click on activate. Okay, so once it's activated, what you have to do, click on again to go on WordPress dashboard, and then now you can find that tool inside the tools here. On the there is user inside, and below user there you're going to find the tools, and you have to hover on the tools, and here you're going to find WP reset. Click on it, and yeah, now here you can see you can go with the pro, but free one is enough to reset your website. So if I'm going to scroll down all the way down, where is written site reset, right? So it's going to reset everything. So we just need to we need to write here reset, 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 and click on reset site. So let me show you again how it looks like. So this is now how it looks like we have a complete website, right? But we want to delete everything, just like want to make sure it's like a brand new installed WordPress. So now what I'm going to do, I have wrote here reset and click on reset site, and then it's not going to ask you would you like to do that. So we're going to say yes, go ahead, reset WordPress, and then within the few clicks, within a few seconds, you're going to see we're going to have the brand new WordPress installed. Everything will be default. Here we go. Now you can see we have like a new freshly installed WordPress dashboard. And now if I'm going to visit a site, right, if I click on over here to visit a site, and then now you're going to see we have nothing on website, right? Now it's become totally empty, and we have deleted, reset the website. Now we can rebuild from the scratch. So yeah, this is how you can reset your website. I think that's it. We build the website for the people. It had been already more than 7 years, and if you would like us to hire to build for you a complete brand new website, it can be portfolio or business website, you need to visit our website. It's rajasain.com. I'm going to give the link below in the description, and we build all kind of the website like the WordPress website. And then if you want to see what we do, you're going to check out our website, and then you can read out public feedback from all over the world. We have client on the Fiverr, on Google, and then if you go to our main website rajasni.com, we also offer go high level service as well. So if you would like to have a high converting funnel for your website or for your e-commerce site, then you can hire us by click on book a free discovery call, and you can read out more feedback from all over the world. Then if you scroll down all the way, you can see what we have done so far. You can see the live project as well, and then you can fill out the form. And if you want, you can just book a free discovery call where you can book a free session where we can talk about and give you you can tell us about your business, and we're going to give you a best solution. I think that's it right now. And if you are totally new on my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.